Hey everyone, myself Dinakar from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today my subject is about environmental protection. In that my topic is farmer adoption strategy to environmental protection policy. Moving on to the next slide. Title: Farmer adaptation strategy to environmental protection policy. Subtitle: A quantitative approach in the dairy farming sector. Author: Ratna. University: Nigeria, Nigeria Padnag. Introduction: Agriculture is a major contribution to environmental challenges such as climate changes, population, and biodiversity losses. Global context: Dairy farming in pre-continental is associated with significant greenhouse gas emission, methane from cow, and extensive land uses. Environmental protection policies. Government worldwide has implemented environmental regulation to this effect and reduces the ethanol footprint of the agriculture sector. Policies often focus on reducing greenhouse gases emission, water management, and promoting suitable land uses. Moving on to the next slide. Research objectives. Objective 1: Identify adoption strategies used by dairy farming in response to environmental regulations. Objective 2: Analysis the balance between economic viability and compliance with environmental policies. Provide insight for policymaker and effective strategies that support both sustainability and farming livelihood. Outcome: Recommendation for improving the policy and implementation and support for daily farming. Moving on next slide. Methodology, research and design. Quantitative approach to understand complex adoption behavior. Data collection methods. Semi-structured interviews conducting with 20 to 30 farmers from different regions, each taking 60 to 90 minutes. Focusing groups. 3 to 5 groups and 5 to 8 groups each gather sharing perspective on challenges and strategies. Data analysis. Thematic analysis to identify the recurring themes and hints. Ethics: informed consent and confidentially and instantly review approval. Moving on to the next slide. Adoption strategies and technological innovation. Overview. Many farmers have adopted new technology to meet environmental standards. Examples: automated milking system, improve efficiency and reduce labor cost. Preconception feeding, optimizing feed uses and reducing waste and emission. Methane digesters, convert manure into renewable energy, significantly cutting greenhouse and emission. Impact: this technology helps maintaining productivity while reducing the environmental impact. Moving to the next slide. Adoption strategies, suitable practices. Overview: shifting towards environmental friendly farming methods. Key practices: rotational glazing, improving soil health and reduce erosion and enhance vegetal growth. Organic farming, reduce the using of chemical fertilizer and producing natural fertilizers, using of composition and other organic method to improve soil quality. Benefits: enhancing long-term soil fertilization and reduce the carbon footprint of the farmer operations. Moving on to the next slide. Adoption strategies overview. Diversification as a meaning to mis- mitigate risk and enhance reliance. Example: crop farming. In crop farming, to reduce depend on the dairy income and the agroforestry introduced into farming system and additional income to carbon sector. Renewable energy, solar panels and wind turbines installed to farmer for energy self-sufficiency. Impact. Diversification helps to buffering economic fluctuations and compliance costs. Challenges faced by farmers. Economic pressure. High initial investment caused by technological adoption, financial strain due to marketing volatility, and fluctuating dairy prices. Knowledge and skill gaps. Limited access to technological training and support. Difficulty in understanding and implementation new substantial participants. Policy and regulation challenges. Inconsistencies in policy enforcement and unclear guidelines, lengthy approval process, environmental compliances. Moving on to the next slide. Opportunities for farmers. Financial supports. Availability of suitable guidance and low initial loans and offset the cost of adopting new patients. Government programs at supporting sustainable transition. Market opportunities. Growing consumer demands and eco-friendly and organic daily products. Access to premium market that value sustainable products goals. Collaboration. Partnership with NGO, relationship institution and agriculture for knowledge sharing and supporting. Moving on to the next slide. Policies implementation. Need for clear policies and farmer involvement and support structure and recommendation for policymakers. Moving on to the next slide. Conclusion and future research. Summary, challenges and opportunities and future research direction. Exploring long-term and farming and environmental outcome. Comprehensive studies across region understanding to transform strategies. Thank you. I hope everyone like this video and share and subscribe my channel.